In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom cursor in Wix.com. Custom cursors are a fun way to make your website feel more unique and on brand, and in Wix, you can set this up directly inside the editor with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process slowly so you can follow along in your own Wix site. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the inspector panel. Look for a small arrow on the right-hand side of that inspector area. This arrow is used to expand additional settings. Click on that small arrow to reveal more options related to your site's design and behavior. Once the panel expands, you'll see different categories of settings. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Cursor. This is where all the cursor customization happens. Go ahead and click on Cursor. When you do, a new set of controls will appear, specifically for managing how the mouse pointer looks on your site. Inside the cursor settings, you'll see an option to add an image or SVG. This is essentially telling Wix which graphic you want to use as your cursor. Click on the button that says Add Image or SVG. This will open the Wix Media window, where you can pick an existing graphic or upload a new one. At this point, you have two main choices. The first option is to use a pre-made cursor that Wix provides. In the Media window, you'll see a selection of ready-made cursor designs. These are already optimized to work well as cursors, so they're a great choice if you just want something quick and easy. Simply click on a design you like, then confirm your selection. Wix will automatically apply that image as your site's cursor. The second option is to upload your own design. If you've created a custom cursor graphic, look for the Upload Media button in the same window. Click Upload Media, then choose your file from your computer. For best results, use a small clear image or SVG with a transparent background, so it doesn't look too big or blurry on the screen. After the upload finishes, select your new image from the media library and apply it as the cursor. Once you've made your choice, preview your site to test how the cursor looks and feels. If it seems too large or distracting, you can always go back, adjust your design, or pick a different image until you're happy with the result.